The Greater Kudu, also known as Tandala, is one of Kenya's woodland antelopes. Even though they occupy widespread territory, they are sparsely populated because of declining habitat, deforestation, and poaching. It is the emblem of Baringo County. The Irongo Hills in Baringo remains a critical breeding site for the kudus who roam in the Lake Bogoria region. A greater effort is being made to secure their wildlife corridors and stabilize their population. Dorcas Wangira tells us more.
Lake Bogoria in Baringo is a wonder and marvel of nature. For its geysers and hot springs along the bank of the lake and in the lake, home at times to one of the world's largest populations of lesser flamingos. But in Baringo County, there is another animal so loved and visible, so much that it is the county's emblem, the Greater Kudu. The woodland antelope is the county's treasure.
Mnyama ni tegemeo katika Baringo na Kenya nzima. Anapenda kukaa na wanyama kama ya domestic kama mbuzi na ng'ombe.
And when it reaches 8 years, that's the time you can see it can die naturally.
The Irongo Hills in the Baringo rangelands is a critical site for the Greater Kudu who roam Lake Bogoria and other 4 key areas that have been mapped as critical dispersal areas.
There is no human activity mostly. The young ones, they are there. They don't want to be disturbed. We have about over 8 to 10 major corridors which we have in Irongo Community Conservancy.
But to save the species from the threats of habitat loss, infestation of ticks, poaching and deforestation, local communities in Baringo South and Mogotio sub-counties in the county have embarked in a venture to increase and stabilize its population. The initiative is geared towards reversing the declining population of the species. The effort is bearing fruit following intense awareness campaigns in the past 2 years. Through the help of Reconcile, a conservation organization targeting rangeland management, the community can now conserve the critical Irongo Hills.
Create awareness in the conservancy, and now the community have realized that these animals are very important, and then human-wildlife conflict have reduced. We discourage the community have stopped the charcoal burning, felling down of trees.
According to the International Union of Conservation and Nature IUCN, the Greater Kudu is classified as least concerned, meaning their populations in their ranges in eastern and southern Africa is stable. However, it varies in different habitats. According to Joshua Komen, the chair of the Irongo Conservancy, the Greater Kudu population is currently thriving from the previous estimated 40 individuals to 100 individuals in the last 2 years. The greater aim is that the Greater Kudu will not just be a relic immortalized in a county's emblem, but a woodland antelope that continues to roam free. Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV, Nairobi.